Alright, you guys, it's your girl Chrissy K, and I'm back to you with another one, a hair review from ISee Hair. Now, this is ISee Hair, and it comes in this bag. Okay, you guys, when you buy it, they put the hair in this bag, all packaged with eyelash. I don't have the eyelash to show you. However, this hair, I had it since September 3rd, and it is currently right now October 21st of 2019. This hair definitely holds its curls. I have not experienced any shedding. I paid $150 for this hair. This is a 14 mixed with a 12-inch and a 12-inch, I believe, closure, or 10-inch closure. This closure is technically, well, this is a 12-inch closure. This closure is not a part of ISee Hair, so if you see like the curls are popping here and is not popping over here, this is not their closure. This is actually Eunice hair closure, and the reason why I ended up getting Eunice hair closure is because my hairstyle, I wanted to do like a middle part. I wanted to do something like big, but the closure that I originally got from ISee Hair was too short, so I just ran because I was like, I need my hair done. September 3rd is my birthday, like I need my hair to be popping. So I just got like a random closure at a random hair store, which was Eunice Hair, because they have it in New York for the people who live in New York. Their closure is trash, honestly. This did not hold well at all. Obviously the curls, they said this is a kinky curl, and it's obviously not matching the texture here. Yes, I did wet my hair, and I strongly encourage, like, when it's dry it's still good, but if you just want that nice wet curl look, I strongly advise you to like wet your hair in the morning, or when you wash your hair, put some conditioning on it. And I'm just like, I just feel like when you put conditioner on your hair, treat it like a natural hair. When you put conditioner on your hair, it curls up, it gives you that look. And you see, like, mind you, I had this hair for a while, and I'm zooming in close just for you to, you know, see how this hair holds. It's just amazing. I haven't experienced any shedding, like minor shedding, but not like extreme shedding. And this is just a mix of 14 and 12-inch. This is actually the original closure from ISee Hair that I did not use, and you see this is how it looks when it's fresh, although it's kind of like combed out a little bit because my hairstylist did try to bleach it. She did say bleaching this hair did not, it took a long time for this hair to take the bleach. But overall, if this closure was longer, it would have been perfect for me to actually put on my hair to do the part that I want. I paid $150 for this hair. This is a kinky curly hair, and you know, I really have to give this a thumbs up. Anytime I need the hair to like pop, I just go in the shower, put conditioning, and get a wide tooth comb it out. And you know what I like about this? A lot of people, I've been walking outside, and a lot of people just been saying like, is this your real hair? Honestly, I'll be playing it wolf and saying that it is when it's not. But this hair, baby girl, this hair is popping. Find a hairstyle that fits you so well, you just want to keep doing it. And I just love how like I just kind of put it in a bonnet, braid it up. I have my spray bottle with water, and I spray bottle my hair, and this hair is just like, hold up, let me just show you how popping these kinky curls. You see this side of the hair, and I was able to show you, this side of the hair is the hair that's dry. This side of the hair is the hair that's actually wet. You see the difference? Don't mind the Eunice hair closure, because I told you that shit was trash. But you see how dry is it over here? And you see how nice and luscious wet over here? This is how it looks when it's wet. This is what it looks like it's dry. It still looks cute either way. So I'm very happy with ISee Hair, and I will definitely continue. You see the shedding? Like, it's just really minor. It's not that serious. I'm not waking up to a ball of like timber weave on my bed or anything like that. So this hair is definitely a thumbs up. If you want to see more hair reviews, please just give this video a thumbs up. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Just write on this description below, on the comments, let me know what you want to see. Let me know what I can improve, because you guys taking the time watching my video, I want to know what you want, and I'm gonna try to deliver. Okay, so it's your girl Chrissy K, and I'm out. Please subscribe and like and turn on that bell, so when you know I dropped a video, you could be on it, baby girl. Later.